Aleem, the name means all-knowing, is born on 7th August 2010 in the most beautiful city of Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, a state known as the heaven on the earth. He is fond of visiting countries and was inclined towards currency and coin collection from his early childhood. He has very great collection of old and current world currencies and coins. He has remained gold medalist in swimming competition organized by his school in the year 2018. Besides this, he was nominated football captain of his class in the same year. Aleem excels in playing chess, carrom, and snow skiing activities. Unlike today's children, Aleem was never given smartphone, tablet, or TV. Instead, he has always been enthusiastic in the outdoor and indoor activities. In his leisure time, he reads encyclopedias, world geography, atlas, and GK book of his own. Aleem is into robotics as well and has various types of sensors like temperature, motion, ultrasonic, IR, servo, etc. in various innovative projects. Aleem's passion behind learning and knowing new things made him memorize capitals and currencies of 195 countries and developed his expertise one step ahead by identifying flags of all the 195 countries on the globe.